your life is done. Or at least that's how you feel every morning that you wake up. Like you're unsuccessful, like you're this big loser, like you haven't ever won, or like your life is just on this boring repeat button every single day. This then leads everybody to think that their life is ruined, that it's over for them, that there's no more. But it's not. It's just your perspective needs to change. See, most people think your life is ruined because you're too old. There's no way you can get into the game now. But you got to understand, average lifespan, at least here in America, is 80 years. So even if you're 30 already, you have no game plan, you have no idea where you're going, you still got at least, if statistics are on your side, another 50 years in your life. Meaning you're never too old to do whatever. Whether you want to get chiseled, you want to find the girl of your dreams, you want to pursue your career or your dream, whatever that is, you got to change your perspective and realize you're never too old to do whatever it is that you actually want to do. So no, your life ain't ruined. You're equating your social value to your intrinsic value. And this happens through social media. You see, you are letting apps literally define your personal value. Social media is so ingrained in our lives that in our heads, we have merged or equated our online social value to our intrinsic value. What does this mean? Well, you are weighing how much you're worth by how many likes you get on a post, by how many followers you have, how many views you get on your TikTok. This right here, this is what's ruining your life. Because now you have become a slave to just numbers. Anything good that happens to you in the real world just won't get you as excited as to what's going on in the screen in front of you. Your life is ruined because your knowledge is limited. It is crazy how people have no idea all the possibilities that they have within them that they can unleash through just their phone or their laptop. You see, most people, you are a prisoner to only the experiences and knowledges that you have. In other words, you can't see past that because you don't know past that. So don't settle. Don't think that this is it for you. This is all you got. If you want to become a great photographer, a great coder, you want to become a music producer, a film director, whatever great idea you have, it doesn't matter how crazy it is, go out there and get it. Go out there and get it. You have so much information at your disposal and most of it is free. But if you want professional level information, I would go to Skillshare. There is a reason why I always pitch or sponsor Skillshare to you guys, and it's because they are the best at when it comes to high level classes and courses that are taught by professionals in their field. See, on Skillshare, you have a community of creators, of creative people that are out there to pursue, that are out there to grow. And there is nothing better than to grow with other people around you. See, if you want to become a photographer, a film director, a music producer, an actor, a business owner, a genius at marketing, whatever it is, Skillshare probably has a class for you with thousands of classes being taught by professionals in those specific fields. When you join classes, you're also going to be in that class with hundreds, if not thousands or hundreds of thousands of other people or other members that are also going through the same roadmap with you. And the great part with Skillshare is that it's crafted for learning. It's crafted for your growth, meaning that there's no ads. Your entire focus is to learn, and they're constantly adding premium content on there. And with a membership being less than $10 a month for an annual subscription, this is the most affordable. Under $10, that's 2 cups of coffee. And the amount of knowledge that you're gonna get, it's invaluable. Like, you can literally not even put a price tag considering how many classes, premium courses that you could take across multiple fields. Let me give you an amazing example. Say you're just starting out. Let's take photographer field, for example. There is an iPhone course called iPhone Photography, how to shoot and edit conceptual pictures. In other words, just with the phone and equipment that you already have, they've created a premium course taught by an expert to show you how to shoot better photography. That skill you can then take and literally start your own business. And then with that business, you can start growing and multiplying and buy better gear and etc. That's the beauty with Skillshare, that it doesn't matter where you're starting, what equipment you have, they have courses for you to get started now and start expanding your knowledge. So I want to challenge you. For the new year, for 2021, this is the year where you're gonna expand your knowledge. And I'm gonna be honest with you, for 1,000 of you, it's gonna be completely free. There is no risk, and all you gotta do is take action right now. Decide that right now you are going to expand your knowledge. See, for the first 1,000 guys that go and click the link down below right now, you're gonna get Skillshare Premium unlimited content on their entire website, so you can see all these videos that I just talked about completely free. That's right, you're gonna get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership so you can test it out and see just how amazing it is, and you can explore your creativity. What are you doing, guys? The first 1,000 of you that take action, you're gonna get that free trial. You're just numbing your problems. It happens all the time. You do it by smoking weed, by partying, by drinking your problems away, or by just locking yourself in the room and spending mind-numbing hours just scrolling on TikTok. You see, everybody faces problems, and even though you feel that yours are the toughest problems that you've ever faced, I promise you, there is somebody else out there that's facing either a similar problem or something worse than you are. What you need to focus on is becoming a problem solver. See, problems will always present themselves at every stage of your life. It doesn't matter how successful you get, you always are gonna have problems. So the better you get at solving small problems now, the more calloused and stronger you'll be to handle difficult situations when those bigger problems arise. Now, the best way that I found to handle problems, write down everything you're going through, everything you're thinking, everything you're feeling, everything that led you to that point. See, when you write down, it's a great way to not only organize your thoughts, but also get a bird's eye view of the problem at hand. It's almost like you're seeing the problem from the outside, and this gives you a clearer mind to be able to figure out a better solution. Writing, to me, is the best way to solve problems. You let fear in your way. See, fear, it can be crippling. It can magnify any situation to be harder or scarier than it really is. See, this takes so much perspective to realize it, but once you achieve that fear or go past it, you'll realize, everybody has fears of something, but once you get to the other side, it wasn't that bad. There's this great quote that says something along the lines of, everything is impossible until somebody does it. The thing is that when there's something that scares you, you think it's impossible. Your mind starts telling you everything that might go wrong, and then you don't do it. You let it in your way and it ruined your life. What you have to realize is that you need bravery, you need courage. See, bravery is being able to act in the face of fear. It doesn't mean that you're gonna be fearless. You always are gonna have that gut feeling, that fear happening into you, even when you approach a girl, something as simple as that. What you need is bravery, to act even when there is fear, because once you do, you'll realize that on the other side, it wasn't that bad. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 5 reasons why you believe your life is ruined, but I promise you, it ain't. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Skillshare. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today.